Hello guys, to enjoy the black eye beans, soak it for about 5 hours, drain the water and cook. Once it is boiled, drain the water and put another water. That will take care of the preservatives for the people that have discomfort after eating beans. This is Aka Farm. Thank you so much for joining. The beans happens to be one of my favorite, but at times my children does not like the black eye beans. They prefer the oloyin, the brown beans. To make them enjoy it, this is how I cook it. Chop the onion, debone the dry fish, add blended crayfish, pepper and salt. A lot of people add sugar at this point, but for us to make it sweet, we add the ripe plantain. So here we added the ripe plantain, the chopped onion, palm oil, allow it to cook, then add the seasoning. Thank you so much, our beautiful viewers. Thank you for subscribing too. If you're just subscribing, God bless you. Thank you for watching our videos and see you in our other video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, and make a comment. Thank you so much.
I like to.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bon appetit.